Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I will be showing you how to fix Firefox disable SSL error unsupported version. So guys, it is a very easy fix. So just simply follow along. First things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Firefox, and you could just simply go ahead and go for about config. And from here guys, you could have this feature over here, and you could just simply select accept the risk and continue. Now you will have a search bar at the top, and you could just simply search for security.tls.version.min. Now over here the value will be 3 in default. So what you could try to do is you could just simply select the pencil icon over here to change it, and you could just simply change it to 1, and you could just simply click on a save over here, and that should fix the issue. And just simply refresh the page of your error tab, or you can just simply close out the Firefox and open it up again. Now if it doesn't work out, you might have an outdated security certificates. Now if it doesn't work out, what you could try to do again is you could just simply go for the 3 lines at the top right corner, and then go ahead and go for the settings. And here you could just simply go for the privacy and security tab, scroll down, and you will have an option over here, clear browsing data. And mostly guys, if you clear the cookies and the site data and the temporary cache files and pages, this can fix the issue. And just simply select everything over here. So these two alone can fix the issue, and you can clear it out. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.